To add a drop shadow, just open a design inside your Canva app, select your text or just click on text to add a new text, click on add a text box or just click on add a heading. We are going to type in drop shadow, then we are going to resize it by dragging the corners. After that we are going to change the font right here in the bottom of the page. You can select one of these or click on the arrow to have a wider collection. Let's select this one, it looks very nice. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger and then I'm gonna scroll horizontally in the bottom of the page until I can find this color icon where I can change the color into white. After this, just select the text box again, scroll horizontally until you can find the effects. Click on it and then go to shadow. Here you need to swipe up the window a little bit so you can change the color right here. Change it to black. Then go back and also change the transparency to 100%. If you now tap anywhere on your screen to tap out of these windows, you can zoom in by using 2 fingers. And this way you can see the effect very clearly. If you now go to effects again, click on shadow, then you can try different things like changing the direction, see how it looks like. Then you can also increase the blur. This way you have another style of drop shadow. Download your image and be happy. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.